6 First Alert weather with Emily Roehler.
Well, we're enjoying a pretty nice day warm up after a chilly forecast yesterday. Plenty of sunshine, at least what's left of it. We're getting ready for that sun to set here pretty soon, and you'll want to take advantage of the weather that's been so comfortable while we have it. The rest of this evening looking pretty nice ahead of returning rain chances as soon as tomorrow. For now, we're hanging out to temperatures in the mid-40s. We're about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday. Nice boost in temperatures. With that warmth around, we'll see a slow slide in temperatures through the next several hours. By 6 o'clock, though, starting to push back into the 30s. It'll be chilly, especially late tonight, with a feels like forecast in the 20s by 10 p.m. That next chance for showers not too far off. We have that moisture sitting just down to our southwest, and over the Rockies, that's some snow potential there. We are going to stay pretty mild as this system tracks through, so looking ahead to only rain chances locally. Our satellite and radar picture, for now at least, looking pretty quiet. That's going to change as we get into the day tomorrow. You'll first start to notice the clouds build in. By the time 8 o'clock rolls around, we have some passing clouds, but we're still pretty sunny around the metro and especially out over western Iowa. As we travel further to the southwest, this is where you have a better chance to start the day. Spots like York and Beatrice with mostly cloudy skies already, and rain chances out to the west of the metro as soon as the afternoon. We could see a few spotty showers rolling into Columbus, York, even Lincoln as soon as about 3 p.m. By 3, the clouds will have built into Omaha. We're starting to see those fill into western Iowa, and through the evening, we'll see a better chance for some spotty, mainly light showers to move through. Chances will be on and off through the evening into the overnight hours and lingering on into early Friday. A lot of this breaks up into the late morning, even afternoon hours Friday. We're mostly cloudy. Can't rule out a brief sprinkle, but we'll see a better chance for returning rain as we get into Friday night, early Saturday as a cold front swings through. That'll bring us a slight drop in temperatures heading to the start of the weekend and also clear this system out. Now, for most of us, this is not going to be a heavy round of rain, so don't expect a washout. We're talking about up to 1/10 of an inch for the metro over the course of about 2 days, so it's not heavy, but down to the southwest, totals could climb as high as just shy of about 1/2 an inch. Now, ahead of the arrival of this system, most of the day tomorrow is pretty pleasant. We start off in the 20s, warm up to the low 50s under increasing clouds, watching out for those showers by 8 o'clock. Highs across the region generally going to warm into the 50s, a little cooler out to the west where those clouds build in first. 50 in Wahoo, 47 in Columbus, and a high of 53 around Red Oak, 52 around the metro. Highs will fall back to the 40s Friday, a little cooler Saturday with a high of 42 behind our cold front, and we'll have some ups and downs moving forward. Generally, though, mild and dry heading through most of next week, watching a system bringing another chance for showers and a potential cool down Friday into Saturday. So a couple of chances for rain here in the forecast, and that system around the end of next week, just ahead of Christmas, that could bring snow potential out to our west. Not here, at least not yet.
Well, you had us just there for a second.
Yeah.
Now you have to drive to see it.
That's right. Well, it might be worth it.
White Christmas coming a little closer.
Right. All right. Thanks, Emily.
Thanks, Emily.
Now, 6 First Alert weather with Emily Roehler.
Clouds are starting to work into the metro, but we're still dry and overall really pleasant as you're stepping outside. Rain chances, though, not too far off. And this is the view looking out at I-80 in York. We already have rain chances moving through. If you look closely at the roads as those cars drive by, you can see a little bit of splashbacks. We do have some wet roads ongoing there where the rain has been more consistent. We're still dry, still very mild, so enjoy the evening. We're at 49 currently around Omaha and Fremont, Council Bluffs at 48. You still have a couple hours of dry time before that chance for rain really starts to build in. Right now, our rain chances are still well to the southwest of the metro. York, Wilbur into Beatrice, picking up on some showers, and these are gradually going to be tracking out to the northeast as the night goes on. So let's time this out on the hour-by-hour forecast. As we approach about 7 p.m., I want to get you a first alert to an increasing chance for showers, especially west of the metro. We could already see a few early showers working through. Nothing too consistent as we move through the evening hours tonight. So rain chances on and off, pretty light. By about 2 a.m., however, it becomes more widespread. Looks like it should start to wrap up in intensity and coverage just ahead of the morning commute. So by about 6 a.m. Friday, a couple of spotty showers are left over. Temperatures are falling into the mid to upper 30s. We should have a little bit of a lull in activity through the first half of Friday, but by midday, rain chances start to move back in. These are coming in from the southwest, gradually going to be spreading across the region. We'll have much more persistent showers, widespread showers through the day on Friday, especially by the afternoon to evening, and we could even see some areas picking up on some heavier rain. Now, this is all going to be clearing out overnight Friday into early Saturday as a cold front sweeps through, and we really have to watch that colder air. You'll notice around Norfolk Friday night, we're already starting to see that potential for a changeover to a bit of a wet wintry mix. We may see some areas that do see all snow, but you'll notice our temperatures are just above the freezing mark, so likely not going to see much in the way of accumulation. More than likely a wet wintry mix as this tracks through early Saturday morning, bringing that potential to the metro before this system clears out of western Iowa by the afternoon. Nice round of rain for some of us. We could see between about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch widespread. As we travel further west, totals climb closer to 1/2 inch. So for some, this is going to be a good soaking rain, and you will want to plan around this for your Friday. Have the rain gear with you. If you're out ahead of about midday, chances are you have some dry time around the metro, but by the afternoon, the evening, bring the rain gear with you. It's going to be a cooler day as well as we fall back to the mid 40s. Saturday, behind our cold front, falling back into the 30s. We'll have some ups and downs into the start of next week. Another chilly day on Monday. And then we start to warm back up. Upper 40s back on track by next Thursday. Next system to watch moves in Friday, Saturday into Sunday. So ahead of Christmas, bringing us another shot at some moisture. So we'll watch this next chance for rain, kind of promising for us, especially on Friday. And for some, ahead of Christmas, could be picking up on snow, probably not in the viewing area, though.
All right. As far as you know, we still don't have to shovel rain if we get some of that, right?
You can try.
You can try.
Yeah.
Okay.